Okay guys, today I'll be installing this new alarm here, of course, which I'm going to install. I'll be installing a, a Gardner Mass fire alarm bell. I think that might work. Um, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the white speaker strobe, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the white speaker strobe, and I'll be installing the new fire alarm bell, which I do have here. Um, that is going to be really cool. So I'll remove the alarm part, the alarms that you're waiting for. Okay, and then we will unscrew the screw. Okay, so fire alarm speaker strobe is gone. The white one, we don't need that anymore. But we still do need the white speaker strobe because I love Simplex Driller speaker strobes. I love them so much. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and install this. I will get two wire nuts for this. One and two wire nuts. And then I'm gonna go ahead and install this. It could be really interesting. It could be not. It's not gonna be hard. It could be easy. But I'm gonna go ahead and remove the old thing on it. Um, like it could be easy to wire. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire the thing. Okay. Put the wire nut here. I just don't want to. I don't want to keep it loose. Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, one wire nut here. All right, and then connect this. Oh shoot. Um. All right, then now we're gonna screw this in. Um. Put one wire nut here, and then we're gonna go ahead and test this by testing the fire alarm system. Ready? We will be putting the thing here. Make sure the bells completely fit. Okay. Okay. Make sure you be putting this right here, and I accept putting the screw right in here into the hole. Okay. Screwdriver down. Alright, then also I need the other one. It should be a bigger screw that actually looks very, very big. Give me just 1 second. Let me pause this. Sorry about that, guys. I just wire up I forgot to put the other screw here. Now what I'm gonna do is simply I'm gonna go ahead and pull the fire alarm and then see how it works. And I have a beacon in my bedroom. So yeah, we'll get to it now. So I'll be right back. Just give me 1 second. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the fire alarm, but I have to look for the other keys. Okay, there they are. Alright, you guys ready? Let's give it a test. You're gonna hear the bell, and yeah, you're gonna hear the bell on this. That looks so amazing. I know how to connect the pulse. I know how to connect the fire alarm bell to that. That would be really cool. And also, I might put up I might put up the speaker strobe, or maybe I couldn't. But we're gonna give this one more pull. You guys ready? Yes, and the bell right here. So this bell right here could be set to continuous. It kind of looks like a school bell, but it isn't. It's the fire alarm bell. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe. I might see you like in the system test 12, which is starting tomorrow. But anyways, for that, thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe.